See, last textbook ka sum number 21. Videos on, off videos will be out last time. All the videos on. Nishi, Ruchi, Nishant, Priya, Palak. Chalo. 21st sum number 21. Please draw the columns for sum number 21. You need to make machinery account, just machinery account, no depreciation account. Okay, for 3 years. End at 31st March, and method is 10% SLM. 10% SLM, that is straight line method. So in the books of, okay, this is machinery account. Machinery account you need to make for 3 years. So draw that. No depreciation account, only machine account. Sum number 21. Let's summarize the problem first. Let's summarize it first quickly. देखो क्या दिया है. A machine was purchased for 18,000 and brokerage was paid of 2,000 on 30th September 2010. Tell me, 30th September 2010 falls in which year? 10 to 11. बराबर है? So 10 to 11 is your first year. In that year, you purchased one. Then on 1st April 2011, another machine was purchased for 7,500. 1st April 2011 falls in which year?
11 to 12.
11 to 12. So 11 to 12, that is year 2, you bought another one for 7,500. ठीक है. और एक आगे दिया है कि on 31st March 12, a new machine was purchased for 6,000. 31st March 12 falls in which year?
11, 12.
11 to 12.
11 to 12 only. So what can we conclude? That 2 purchases are happening in that year. So first year 1 purchase, second year 2 purchase. Then on 1st July 2012, half of the first machine was sold at a loss of 2,000. half of the first machine. Half of the first machine was sold at a loss of 2,000 and a new machine was purchased for 12,000. That's happening on which date? 1st July 2012. So that falls in which year? 1st July 2012.
12 to 13.
12 to 13. So 12 to 13, that is year 3. What is happening? We sold one and we bought one. Half of the first machine is sold and we bought another one. So basically 5 transactions are happening in all. First year there is one purchase. Second year there are 2 purchases. Third year there is one sale and there is one purchase. Is that part clear? All of you were able to summarize that date wise. Now let's begin. First one. फर्स्ट ईयर स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ईयर में एक ही परचेज है, दैट इज हैपनिंग ऑन 30th September 2010. So 30th September 2010. What entry you pass for buying a machine? So machine to cash or bank account. How much will be the cost of this machine? 18,000 or 20,000? Follow.
20,000.
20,000. Absolutely right. 18,000 plus brokerage. 2,000 of brokerage will be added up to the cost. Expense on purchase of an asset. Is that clear? So 18 plus 2 makes it 20,000. That's it. Only one purchase in the current year. So we move to which date now?
31st March for depreciation.
31st March 2011. Write down the first working note. First working note is for method and year end. What is the method? So 10% FIM, 10% FIM, and your year ending is 31st of March. 31st of March is the year ending, right? Let's begin. Maya. Okay. Now, calculate the depreciation for year 1. All of you try. Depreciation for the year 10-11. कैसे करना है? How many machines do we own?
One.
Just one machine. Just one machine we have. बराबर है?
1,000.
So that will be 20,000 pay at the rate of 10% for how many months?
6 months.
6 months. Why 6 months? Because you have purchased it on 30th of September. If you have purchased on 30th of September, you will start calculating the months from what? October onwards. So October, November, December, January, February, March. I think that comes to 6 months. Is that right? So 6 months ka depreciation, 20,000 pay 10% for 6 months, 0 cut. This is, I think, 1,000 rupees. Is that right? All of you got that? 1,000 rupees is your depreciation. Now, 1,000 charge किया, entry क्या होगा? Depreciation to machine. तो machine में buy depreciation 1,000. And on 31st March 11, you have buy balance carried down. How much is the balance? So you simply total it up. 20,000 minus 1,000 gives you 19,000. This 19 will become opening. So to balance brought down on 1,411. On 1,411, that's your opening balance. Is it clear? Now, second year, we are in the second year, that is 11-12. What is happening in the second year? check. We summarized just now what is happening in the second year.
2 new machines come in the
Two
business.
new machines. 2 new machines we have purchased. Check the dates. 1st April 2011, another machine was purchased for 7,500. So again the same entry, machine to cash bank. Machine to cash bank 7,500. 1st April 11 को एक और खरीदा है. And on 31st March 12, another machine was purchased for 6,000. Which year does 31st March 12 fall in?
11 to 12.
11, 12 only.
11, 12 only. बराबर है? 11, 12 only. So,
So we won't be calculating depreciation on this particular machine, right?
exactly. Why?
Because it's just one day.
Last date. Because it is the last date of the year, right? You're asking about the third machine, right? 6,000.
Yeah, sir.
Correct. You won't calculate. But you will pass the entry for purchase definitely because it falls in current year. Yes or no? The third machine you have bought is on 31st March 12. It falls in the current year. So entry यही साल में आएगा. But will you charge any depreciation on this machine of 6,000? Why? Why we will not charge any depreciation on this one?
On the last day of the year.
Exactly. You bought it on the last date of the year. So have you used this machine? You have used it for one day. One day does not matter only. Okay, you have to calculate in months, full month. Okay, 2 months, 3 months. So last day पे खरीदा या first day पे खरीदा, next year का वो एक ही बात है. But entry previous year में आएगा क्योंकि 31st March falls in 11, 12. Again, this year is over, so you charge depreciation on the last date. What will be the last date of second year? 31/3/12. You charge depreciation, so by depreciation. This is working note number 3. Depreciation for the year 11, 12. Now let's understand depreciation for the year 11, 12. Think and tell me. How many machines do we have in all totally?
3 machines.
We have actually 3 machines. M1, M2, M3. M1 is worth 20,000. 20,000 wale pe 10% for how many months?
12.
12 months. Absolutely right. 12 months because that is coming from previous year. So you have used it for full year obviously. Second machine M2 is worth 7,500. We have acquired it in this year. इस साल खरीदा हुआ है. Sorry, उस पे 10% for how many months? Can you tell me?
12.
उस पे भी 12 months because you bought it on 1st of April. 1st of April से 31st March comes to 12 months. So this पे भी 12 months, 750 or the third machine. When have you bought the third machine?
31st March.
31st March. So will you have any depreciation on the third machine? No. 0 days. Anything into 0 is 0, right? 0 month use किया है तो 0 dash कर दो सीधा. So 2750. 2750 is my total depreciation. Hope all of you got that. Record it 2750 and balance it out. Balance कर लो फटाफट. This is what 25 plus 7, 32,500 I think. 32,500 minus 2750 is 29,750 I think, right? 29,750. Correct? 29,750 is your balance. Third year. We are in the third year now, the last year of the problem. What is happening in the third year? Check. On 1st July 2012, half of the first machine was sold at a loss of 2,000 and a new machine was purchased for 12,000. Half of the first machine is sold. Whenever you sell any asset, sorry, whenever we sell any asset, what are we supposed? I'm not able to listen. What are you saying?
So we don't have to make the profit or not because we've got the details, right?
Where do we have the details? We just have the loss, right?
At the loss. Yeah.
We don't know the depreciation of the current year. Do we know that? Do we know the sale value? You need to
Yeah.
record 3 items, na? All 3 details should be available, right? You just have the detail of loss. Do you have kitne mein becha? What will you write in cash bank? You don't know that. What will you write in current year's depreciation? You don't know that. So, वो note तो must है. Which note? Whenever you sell any asset, you need to make that working note. What is that working note for profit or loss on sale? उसका खाली नाम है profit or loss on sale. उससे अपने को we get all the 3 details. Depreciation for the current year, sale value, profit loss. Okay. So ये note तो करना ही है आपको. Profit or loss on sale. So you start this note with what? Original cost as on. Which machine have we sold? Tell me. First machine, second machine, third machine. Which machine have we sold?
Half of the first one.
Half of the first machine. याद है लास्ट लेक्चर में पार्ट बेचा था एक 30,000 में से 10,000 वाला, तो इधर हाफ बेचा है, ये भी पार्ट बेचा है. तो what original cost will you consider? Will you consider 20,000 or 10,000?
Would it be 9,000 because it was 18,000 first?
नहीं, with brokerage. Brokerage was added to the
But the
cost.
brokerage this was the original. Okay.
Original cost का ही part है वो. Okay. Whether you buy 1 machine, 2 machine, 3 machines, all that brokerage also will be divided accordingly. That will be added to the cost of the asset. Got it? So what will be the cost? Will you take 20 or 10?
10,000.
10,000. Now don't worry about that brokerage and all. Original cost of machine is 20 only. Any expense, transportation, installation, fixation, brokerage, okay, purchase related expense will be part of cost only, merged into that asset. So now original cost as on कब खरीदा था? 30th September 2010. That was what? 10,000. Don't take 20, take it as 10 because take it as 10,000 because half, we have sold just half of the asset. We have sold just half of the asset. Okay. One second. Now, original cost as on 30th September 2010. Okay. That is 10,000 rupees. Got that? Now you start depreciating it. Start depreciating it. Number 1, first year का depreciation, year 1 का depreciation. कितना महीना use किया in year 1? How many months have we used it in year 1? 6 months. Less depreciation for the year 10, 11 for 6 months. कितना आएगा 6 months का depreciation on this? Think. Should it be 1,000 or 500 rupees?
500.
500. 10,000 के 10% is 1,000, उसका हाफ कर लो, that is 500. आपको नहीं जम रहा है तो आप अलग से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. 10,000 पे 10% for 6 months. Okay, 500 ही आएगा. फुल ईयर का 1,000 है ना, 10%, तो 6 months का 500. So you get the book value WDV as on 1/4/11. After 6 months, that comes to 9,500. Agree? 9,500. Less depreciation for the year 11-12. Second year. Second year में कितना यूज हुआ है? तो I think 12 months. Full 12 months. कितना आएगा 12 months का depreciation? 1,000. Arrive at WDV as on 1/4/12. 1/4/12, that comes to 8,500. Did we sell it on 1/4/12? No, we did not. But we sold it on 1st of July, right? So in the current year, in the third year of sale, for how many months have we used this machine? April, May, June, correct? How many months? 3 months. In the current year, in the year of sale also, we have used it for 3 months. So क्या करना है? और depreciate करो for the year 12-13 for 3 more months. 3 more months. 3 months का कितना आएगा? अगर full year का 1,000 है, 6 months का 500 है, तो 3 months का कितना होगा? 250 होगा. All of you got that? Full year का 1,000 है, 6 months का मतलब half 500, 3 months का मतलब 1/4, that will be 250. अगर नहीं जम रहा है ऐसे तो you can simply check 10,000 पे 10% for 3 months. That will be how much? 250 rupees that you subtract, that's your depreciation, and you arrive at WDV as on, written down value as on 1/7/12, that is 8250. 8250 का asset है, कितने में sell किया? Do we know the sale value? Have they provided us with the sale value? No, but we know something that you have sold it at a loss, right? You know something that you have sold it at a loss. So can you tell me what will be your sale value? You have sold it at a loss of 2,000.
WDV minus loss.
WDV minus loss. Loss is 2,000. So what must be your sale value? 6250 होगा ना? 8250 का आपने 6250 में सेल किया, तब जाके आपको 2,000 का लॉस आया. Are you getting that? So दोनों में से एक चीज दिया होगा. अगर सेल वैल्यू दिया है तो लॉस मिल जाएगा, लॉस दिया है तो सेल वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. सिंपल. प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है तो ऐड कर देने का, लॉस दिया हुआ है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. All of you got that? हेलो. सेल वैल्यू नहीं दिया था, लॉस दिया था, तो लॉस से सेल वैल्यू मिल गया. नाउ हाउ मेनी थिंग्स डू वी रिकॉर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल? How many things do we record? We record 3 things. What are those 3 things? Number 1, depre for the part of the year. Number 2, sale value. And number 3, profit or loss. Correct? First one, depreciation for the part of the year. Let's start with depreciation for the part of the year. Depreciation record करना है सबसे पहले आपको. This is on 1/7/12. What will be the entry for charging depreciation? तो same है, buy depreciation. Buy depreciation account. Part of the year you have used, that is 250. Then second item is what? Sale. So buy cash bank to asset है तो buy cash bank. How much you will write in buy cash bank? Which value you will record here? बोलो. Buy cash bank, which value? बोलो बोलो.
6250.
6250 sale value. And loss है तो एंट्री क्या हो जाएगा? बाय लॉस या टू लॉस? तो आई थिंक बाय लॉस ऑन मशीन. कितना है बाय लॉस? 2,000. लॉस ऑन मशीन इज 2,000. गॉट दैट? All three items are clear. Depreciation for current year. Cash bank में क्या record होएगा? Sale value. हमेशा sale value. And loss. Loss is 2000. Loss to machine. So machine में buy loss. And what? Finished? कि एक और कुछ transaction हुआ है in the current year.
Purchase of machine.
One more purchase. On which date? Same date. 1/7/12. Again you have bought. So machine to cash bank. How much? कितने का खरीदा है? तो 12,000. Can you all see that? Third line they have given. So machine to cash bank, that's 12,000. Now what do you do on the last date of this year, that is 31st March 30, charge again depreciation. How many machines do we have in all now? Can you tell me? This is 1,
4.
2, 3, 4 machines. We have 4 machines now. But do we have all 4 machines intact as it is? What about the first one?
So 3 machines.
So first one is not entirely sold. It has been sold, but only half, right? So आधा अभी भी बचा हुआ है. The first one is still left half, and बाकी second, third और fourth तो पूरा है. So let's calculate the depreciation. Last working note 5. This is depreciation for the year 12-13. The last year 12-13 का depreciation. Let's calculate. Number 1, M1. What will be the value of M1 now? Would it be 20,000 or 10,000? What do you think?
And plus
10,000.
depreciation.
Because 10 has been sold. 10 has been sold, right? So forget that 10. Whatever 10 is left out, us pay 10% for how many months? Simple. Think. कितना महीना लोगे पहला वाला machine पे?
12.
Full 12 months. Full 12 months because you have used it for full year 1,000. Machine 2. Machine 2 था 7,500 का, उस पे 10% for how many months? Think machine 2 also how many months?
12.
12 months because that is also coming from last year, so full year use हुआ होगा. Machine 3 कितने का था? Machine 3 was worth 6,000, उसका 10% for how many months in the year 12-13? 6,000 वाला machine.
So 12,000.
Third machine. Total
So
4
the
आते हैं.
cost of the third machine is 12,000.
अरे यार इधर देखो,
हाँ, sorry.
ये फर्स्ट मशीन है 20 का, ठीक है, उसमें से आधा बेचा 10 का. ये सेकेंड मशीन है 7,500 का. ये थर्ड मशीन है 6,000 का, और ये फोर्थ मशीन है 12,000 का. कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, yes.
सो फर्स्ट मशीन का आधा लिया 10,000 फुल 12 मंथ्स क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर से आ रहा है. सेकेंड मशीन 7,500, उस पे भी फुल 12 मंथ्स. थर्ड मशीन 6,000, उस पे कितना महीना बताओ?
Full 12 months.
Full 12 months, because that is also coming from previous year, 600 rupees. Got it? And machine 4.
9 months.
This we have acquired in the current year. 12,000 pay 10% for 9 months. Why 9 months? Because you bought it on 1st July. So calculate karo. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months it comes to? So 9 months. All of you got that? समझाइए.
Yes.
So the machines which are coming from previous year, you will calculate depreciation for full year because they have been used in the current year for 12 months full year. But the machine which is acquired in the current year, you check the respective depreciation. Respective depreciation मतलब 9 months का, I think that comes to 900 rupees. So what is your total answer?
3,500.
3250. 3250 is the total depreciation for the current year. All of you got that? 3250. 3250 is total depreciation recorded by depreciation 3250, और बाकी का machine will be carried forward as balance. So by balance carried down. What is the balance? What is the balance? This is 41,750, I think, correct? 41,750 minus the credits. Sorry, 8,500, 11,750. 30,000 आना चाहिए, I think. Is that right? 30,000. Check. To balance BD on 1430. To balance BD on 1413, 30,000 rupees. That's your solution. Similar sum. Just a bit of more calculation with 4 machines now. 5 transaction ka sum tha. First year 1 purchase, second year 2 purchase, third year 1 sale, 1 purchase. Getting it? Take the next one. Sum number 22. Sum number 22. 22 में क्या पूछा है? Prepare furniture account for 3 years. So only furniture account. So draw that, sorry. This is 22nd sum. Furniture account. Same format. 22. Year ending and method. Okay, 22nd sum. Sum number 22. Year ending and method. If you check what is the year ending and what is the method, 22nd sum mein. They have not given us the year ending, right? But still, there is a hint in the problem. Diya hua, sorry. They have given 31st December. Yeah. Year ending is 31st December. Diya hua hai. And method is what? 15% FIM. Correct? 15% FIM and year ending is 31st December, not March. Hello. So now your calendar year is your financial year, January to December, not March, not March. December ending है, December ending, याद रखना सब लोग. Let's begin. Let's summarize quickly. अभी यहाँ पे year ending December है, not March. Furniture of 10,000 was purchased on 1st July 15. Which year?
15 to 16.
अभी काय का 15, 16? अभी खाली 15. April to March है ही नहीं. Jan to December है. It becomes quite easy, right? Calendar year देखने का अभी. 15 है तो 15 में आएगा, 16 है तो 16 में आएगा, 17 है तो 17 में आएगा. So simple, right? The first year, year 1, there is what? One purchase on 1st July 15. Another furniture of 20,000 was bought on 31st December 16. 31st December 16 falls in which year?
16.
16. Year 2. Year 2 में भी एक purchase है. Year 1 में भी एक purchase है. Then on 1/1/17, first furniture was sold for 10,000. उस पे brokerage and selling expenses are incurred at 5%. And on the same day, new furniture of 5,000 was purchased. This falls in which year? 1/1/17 falls in which year?
New year 17.
17, the third year. Third year में क्या हुआ? The first furniture was sold and a new was purchased. और उसके बाद दिया on 1st April 17, a new furniture of 20,000 was purchased. 1st April 17 also falls in which year? 17, third year. तो third year में क्या हो रहा है? बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Third year में there is one sale and there are two purchases. Is this clear? There is one sale and there are two purchases in the third year. 1st January को एक सेल किया, 1st January को एक परचेज किया और एक 1st April को भी परचेज किया. Is this part clear? Let's begin. First year, one purchase, second year, one purchase, third year, one sale, and two purchases. So let's start with the first year, 2015 now. We are in December, ending some December. First transaction, okay, on 1st July 2015, 1715. Can you tell me what entry will pass? Fatafat, Megha?
To cash or bank
To
account.
cash or bank, how much?
Second. 16 or 10,000.
10,000. 10,000 ka first machine hai, story over. First year is finished. Rutva, what you will do at the year end?
Depreciation.
What will be the date? What will be the year ending?
31st December 2015.
Perfect. 31st December 15, you chart depreciation. So by depreciation account, I'm making a working note. Working note to depreciation for the year 15. How many machines do we have right now? Furniture rather, F1. How many furniture do we own? Just one. That's worth 10,000 into 15%. For how many months? Can you tell me, Kashish? How many months in the first year? First machine? 6 months. Very good. Why 6 months? Because you have acquired it on 1st of July, right? So July, August, September, October, November, December. December पे रुक जाने का. July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months. All of you got that? So 6 by 12. Don't go till March. Huh? This is December ending. So 10,000 ka 15% for 6 months is coming to 750 rupees. You can calculate 750 rupees. Got that? 750 rupees is depreciation. Get the balance. Year 1 is finished. Year 1 khatam ho gaya. ये हो जाएगा by balance carried down on 31st December 15. This is 10,000. Sorry, 10,000. This is 9250. 9250. This is 2 balance brought down on 1/1. What? 1/1 what? Will be the opening date. 16. 1/1/16. Okay. Now this is calendar year. Remember. So जैसा closing से opening होगा वैसे आपका year change हो जाएगा. 15 का 16 हो जाएगा. Getting that? Now, in the second year, what is happening? Check what is happening in the second year. We bought one more, but on which date? 31st December 16. 31st December 16 falls in the current year, yes or no? Yes, definitely yes. On this day, you again purchase another one. So, to cash bank account. For how much you have bought it? Sorry.
20K.
20,000. Sorry. You have bought it for 20,000. All of you got that? Now, again, you go to the last date of this year. What will be the last date of current year, Riya Palan?
Uh,
31st
December 17.
December.
17.
How come 17? First year was 15.
Sorry, 16.
16. We are in the second year, 16. So by depreciation account, 31st December 16. How many furnitures do we have now? Think.
One only, but the second one, they calculate it's just bought.
Absolutely right. So still one only we can say 10,000 pay 15% for how many months? 10,000 ka 15% original wale pe how many
Only
months?
12
months.
months.
Full year, 12 months. Because ऊपर से टपका तो 12 months 1,500. What about the second furniture? Will you calculate any depre on that? Will you calculate any depreciation on the second
No.
furniture? No. Why? Because
We have just bought it.
You've just bought it on the last day, so no depre. So record that total depreciation of 1500. Move ahead, take the balance. This is 29,250. 29,250 minus 1500 is what? 27,750. This will be by balance carried down 31, 12, 16. And this will be on 1, 1, 17 to balance brought down 27, 750. 27, 750. Is that clear? Then third year. देखो summary देखते रहना. First year we purchased one, second year we purchased another one, third year there is one sale and two purchase. ध्यान से देखना अभी पहले सेल हो रहा है. यहां तक हो गया सबका? All of you with me? Tanshi? Finished? Nishi, Ruchi, Palak, Pujan, Nishant. चलो थर्ड ईयर में फर्स्ट डेट on 1/1/17 फर्स्ट फर्नीचर was sold for 10,000 और ब्रैकेट में दिया ब्रोकरेज एंड सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस आर 5%. What are we supposed to do with that brokerage and selling expense? कुछ click हो रहा है? We have done this concept earlier.
You have to subtract it
That
from
from
the
the
cost of the
original
furniture
cost.
because like investment in shares we used to do.
Exactly. Investment in shares. Remember investment in shares. Investment shares खरीदते वक्त brokerage होता था तो क्या करते थे? Add up to the cost. Because that was a long term expense. और बेचते वक्त कुछ brokerage होता था तो क्या करते थे? Subtract it from the sale value. सेल वैल्यू में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. मींस व्हाट? लॉजिक बड़ा ही सिंपल है. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. हमने फर्नीचर बेचा 10,000 में, लेकिन बीच में ब्रोकर था. हु इज अ ब्रोकर? ब्रोकर इज द मिडिल मैन. तो ब्रोकर के थ्रू बेचा तो ब्रोकर ने अपना 5% डिडक्ट किया कमीशन. तो 10,000 का 5% दैट इज 500 रुपीज. 10,000 का 5% इज 500 रुपीज. वो काट लिया तो अपने को कितना मिला? हाउ मच डिड वी गेट आउट ऑफ दैट फर्नीचर सोल्ड?
Subtract करके जो बचा वो
We got 9,500. Did we get full 10,000? No, we got 9,500. Subtract करके. Are you getting that? So what is your ultimate sale value? Is it 10,000 or 9,500?
So that would be not accurate.
There will be. I'm asking you about the
But
sale value.
9,000.
9,500. Yes or no?
Yes.
The sale value which they have given ना कितने में सेल किया वो 10,000 नहीं है, वो 9,500 हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 5% is selling expense. So what can we conclude? Very simple conclusion over here. We have done it earlier also. जब भी आप कोई एसेट सेल करते हो और उस सेल के वक्त some selling expenses are incurred like selling expense, brokerage, dismantling charges, transportation cost. ओके सेल के वक्त अगर कुछ खर्चा हो रहा है ना तो क्या करने का? सेल वैल्यू में से माइनस कर देने का. सेल वैल्यू में से माइनस करने का. वुड यू पास एनी सेपरेट एंट्री फॉर दैट ब्रोकरेज?
No.
नो सेपरेट एंट्री.
Yes. Because
No separate entry. No separate entry. Brokerage will not be treated as an expense only. अलग से expense का entry नहीं करने का. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हर साल incur नहीं होगा. It's not a recurring expense. It is not going to recur every year. So just one time expense on sale of asset. What are we supposed to do? Deduct it from the sale value. समझ आया? Suppose take another example. आपका sale value of asset is 20,000. सेल वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट इज 20,000 और उस पे सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस हो गया 1,000. सो व्हाट विल बी योर फाइनल सेल वैल्यू? 19,000. तो एंट्री में कितना रिकॉर्ड होगा? 19,000. अब वो 20,000 को भूल जाने का. 20,000 सेल वैल्यू था ही नहीं. 20 में से 1,000 ब्रोकर ने काट लिया, मिडलमैन ने काट लिया, आपको हाथ में 19,000 दिया. कोई एसेट आपने 1 लाख रुपीज में सेल किया, 1 लाख रुपीज में 10,000 ब्रोकरेज, सेलिंग, डिसमेंटलिंग चार्जेस हो गया, तो व्हाट इज योर अल्टीमेट सेलिंग वैल्यू? व्हाट इज योर अल्टीमेट सेलिंग? 1 लाख में से 10,000 स्पेंड हो गया सेल के वक्त, व्हाट इज योर अल्टीमेट सेल वैल्यू? बोलो।
80,000.
90,000 rupees. Got that? Will you pass any separate entry for that 10,000? No. Now your selling price is how much? Net of that expense, 90,000 after deducting that expense. Okay. So same concept of shares या कोई भी damn fixed asset, the same concept is applicable. What is that concept? Whenever you have any expense on purchase of asset, you add up to the cost. But whenever you have any expense at the time of sale, you deduct it from the sale value, subtract it from the sale value. Never ever pass any separate entry for brokerage or purchase expense या selling expense. Separate entry कभी नहीं आएगा. क्यों नहीं आएगा? वो recurring नहीं है, goods पे नहीं हो रहा है, recurring expense नहीं है. Okay, one time expense at the time of sale. Is this clear? All of you got it? Now, next one. Let's understand this. You have sold an asset. So whenever you sell, what are we supposed to do? Whenever you sell, what are we supposed to do? क्या करना है सेल के वक्त? You make this note for calculating profit or loss on sale. Yes or no? Make this note for calculating profit or loss on sale. Start with this first part, that is original cost as on. कब खरीदा था? Which machine are we? Which furniture are we selling? The first one or the second one? First one. First one का original cost था 10,000 and we had acquired it on which date? 1st July 15. 1st July 15 को खरीदा था 10,000 का. अब इसको depreciate करते जाओ. Less depreciation for the year 15. In the year 15 we used it for 6 months. यहाँ से मिल जाएगा, आपको दिख रहा है ये 750 rupees. 750, 15% for 6 months. Subtract it, you get WDV as on 1/1/16 after 6 months. It became 9250 का. 9250 का एक और साल यूज किया, तो less depreciation for the year 16 for 12 months. कितना आता है for the year 16 for 12 months? कितना आएगा depreciation? सोचो.
1,500.
1,500 rupees आएगा, ये 1,500 rupees आएगा, तो you get WDV as on 1/1/17 after 12 months. That is what 7750. Correct? 7750 का एसेट था. कितने में सेल किया? नहीं, सॉरी, 1/1/17 को सेल नहीं किया. कब सेल किया? इन द ईयर 70. अच्छा हाँ, 1/1/17 को ही सेल किया, फर्स्ट डेट को ही सेल किया. तो हैव यू यूज दिस फर्नीचर इन द करंट ईयर? थर्ड ईयर में थोड़ा भी यूज किया उसको? सो विल यू हैव एनी डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर द करंट ईयर? नॉर्मली करते हो ना आप, बीच में सेल करते हो ना, इसके लिए यूज किया तो डेप्री करते हो. यहाँ पे तो फर्स्ट डेट पर ही बेच दिया तो नो डेप्री, तो इसी दिन सेल कर दिया तो लेस सेल. Now what will be your sale value? Would it be 10,000 or would it be 9,500?
9,000. Yeah, cutting the commission.
9,500. 9,500. क्यों 9,500? 5% कमीशन डिडक्ट कर दिया. Can you see that? ब्रोकर का जो भी था ब्रोकरेज डिडक्ट कर दिया, सेलिंग एक्सपेंस ब्रोकरेज डिडक्ट कर दिया, हाथ में 9,500 आया, तो वही रिकॉर्ड होगा. 10,000 भूल जाने का. अभी ये बात क्लियर है सबको? हेलो, वीडियोस ऑन.
Sam, you do it off for a while because it was lagging.
पलक, निशी, रुचि, पूजन, निशांत, फोरम, रिया. पूजन, निशांत will be out. फोरम.
We have a profit of 1750.
Did you all get this first? मैंने क्या किया ब्रोकरेज के साथ? What did I do? Subtract it from the sale value. Okay, no separate entry. सीधा deducted from the sale. Sale के वक्त जो खर्चा होता है सीधा sale value में से minus. Okay, so net amount कितना आया हाथ में? 9500 था 7750 का, बेचा 9500 में. Is it profit or loss?
1750 का profit है.
1750 का profit on sale 1750. Okay, profit on sale is 1750. All of you got that?
Yes.
Now let's record the three items. Number one, on 1st January 17. Will you record any depreciation for the current year? Common sense. No, because you have not used. Second part, sale. वो क्या होगा? Buy cash bank. कितना आएगा? What is the sale value? 10,000 or 9,500?
9,500.
9,500. So simple. Yes or no? 9,500 आएगा. All of you are getting that? Hello. समझा कि नहीं? Comfortable? 9,500 ही record. वो 10 को भूल जाने का. वो 10 सेल वैल्यू है ही नहीं. शेयर्स में भी सेम करते थे, यहाँ पर भी सेम करेंगे. ओके, आफ्टर ब्रोकरेज. अच्छा, लॉस है कि प्रॉफिट? ध्यान से चेक करो. प्रॉफिट है. लॉस होता तो एंट्री क्या होता? लॉस टू मशीन, तो बाय लॉस. प्रॉफिट की एंट्री क्या होती? टू प्रॉफिट ऑन मशीन. इट इज एसेट टू प्रॉफिट. तो मशीन टू प्रॉफिट या फर्नीचर टू प्रॉफिट, इधर डेबिट में आएगा टू प्रॉफिट ऑन फर्नीचर. कितने का प्रॉफिट है? 1750. 1750 on 1170. 1750 on 1170. All of you got that? तो प्रॉफिट है तो टू प्रॉफिट, लॉस है तो बाय लॉस. जाएगा दोनों एसेट अकाउंट में. बोथ आर नॉन कैश एक्सपेंस. लॉस का एंट्री इज लॉस टू फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर कम हो गया. प्रॉफिट का एंट्री इज फर्नीचर टू प्रॉफिट. फर्नीचर बढ़ गया. इज दैट क्लियर? प्रॉफिट समझा, लॉस समझा? लॉस तो था नहीं, प्रॉफिट था यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद दो और परचेज है सेम ईयर में. एक तो सेम डेट पे है, 1117 को है, तो टू कैश ऑफ बैंक. कितने का परचेज है ऑन द सेम डेट? 5000. और एक परचेज है 1417 को. एक और है तो वापस टू कैश बैंक. कितने का परचेज है ये? 20,000. अब साल खत्म हो रहा है तो क्या करना है आपको? व्हाट यू विल डू ऑन द लास्ट डेट?
Depreciation.
Sorry, depreciation. What will be the last date of this year?
31st December 2017.
Very good. 31st December 17 by depreciation. Come on, check and tell me how many furnitures do we have? ये था number 1, ये था number 2, ये था number 3 और ये था number 4. जितने कैश बैंक है उतने फर्नीचर.
3 furniture pieces.
We still have those 4 furnitures.
3. One got sold away.
Which one got sold away? The first one
First
got
one,
sold away. So
yeah.
now we are left with 2, 3 and 4. Agree? 25 and 20. 3 furnitures, 25 and 20. So working note number 5. This is depreciation. This is depreciation for the year 17, the third year. F1 तो गया, तो start with F2. F2 कितने का था? Furniture 2 was worth 20,000. Furniture 2, that's worth 20,000. 20,000 pay 15% for how many months? Come on, come on, come on.
1 year.
1 year, full year. ऊपर से टपक रहा है तो full year. That comes to 3,000. Furniture 3. Furniture 3 कितने का है? Furniture 3, check करो ऊपर. What is the value of furniture 3? 5,000. So 5,000 पे 15% for how many months? ये साल acquire किया 1/1 को. This year we have bought it on 1st Jan. Tell me how many months?
Whole year. First
Whole
पे
year.
आया था.
First date पे आया तो 750 full year. What about furniture 4? The last furniture 20,000. और उस पे 15% for how many months? Acquired on 1st of April. Current year 1st April को आया.
8 months. 8 months.
Sorry.
8 by 12.
9 months.
9 months.
8 months or 9 months?
9 months.
9 months.
सी सिंपल है. अप्रैल से स्टार्ट करो. अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर. हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 9 months. Sorry, all of you got that? Hello? 9 months. So 9 months, 20,000 का 15% for 9 months कितना आता है?
2250.
2250. So what's your total depreciation now? 3 plus 3, 6. 6,000 is total depre. Record it, balance it, story over. Karo balance. 47, 52, 53, 54, 500 आ रहा है total.
Coming 6,000.
अरे वो नहीं, तो हो गया. बैलेंस करना है ना.
39,000 है balance है.
39. Correct. Sorry, 39. By balance carried down 39,000 on 31, 12, 17. On 1, 1, 18, it will become 2 balance BD. That is 39. Have you got that? Is that clear? What was the different part in this sum? एक तो year ending change हो गया.
Years. It was
31st
1
मार्च का 31st दिसंबर और सेकेंड सेल पे आपका ये हो गया.
Profit था.
प्रॉफिट तो था. प्रॉफिट तो पहले भी किया है हमने. यहाँ पे सेलिंग एक्सपेंस था. सेल के वक्त डिसमेंटलिंग सेलिंग एक्सपेंस है तो डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द सेल. ओके. 23rd सम खुद से ट्राई करो. 23rd सम ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई इट ऑन योर ओन. 23rd sum. I'll just summarize it for you quickly. What is the year end and what is the method? Just tell me that much. What is the year ending and what is the method?
31st March.
31st March.
31st March. एक second, ना? Yeah, 31st March and method is 10% FI. Got that? Now read. A machine was purchased for 23,500 on 1st July 2010. Falls in which year?
10 to 11.
10 to 11 में जाएगा फर्स्ट ईयर. समराइज कर लो. 10 to 11 में जाएगा. ईयर 1 में जाएगा. 1 परचेज 1st July 2010. Its installation charges were 1,000, import duty 300, octroi duty 200. ये सब क्या होगा?
added up to the cost of the furniture.
Added up to the cost of furniture. What's the total cost of furniture now? What's the total cost of furniture now?
25,000.
25,000. 23,500 to 1,500 add हो जाएगा. All of you got that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then on 31st March 11, another furniture was purchased for 10,000. 31st March 11 falls in which year?
10, 11.
10, 11 में ही आता है but last date पे.
Last date.
See that 31st March 11. तो first year में कितना purchase है? 1 purchase या 2 purchase?
2.
2 purchase. But depre कितने machine पे आएगा first year में?
Only 1.
Only 1. Second one is got on the last date. All of you got that? फिर read further. On 1st October 11, a new furniture is purchased for 5,000. 1st October 11 falls in which year?
11 to 12.
11 to 12 में जाता है. 1st October 11. 11 to 12 में एक और purchase किया. One more purchase. Can you see that? Then on 1st April 12, the first machine was lost by fire and insurance claim recovered 13,500. क्या होगा इसका?
We assume. मतलब it is a loss that is lost by fire.
Yes.
But Yeah, lost by fire. So then we won't depreciate it. नहीं, हम लोग मतलब पहले जो सेल का प्रोसीजर करते थे वही होगा,
हाँ
लेकिन instead of putting it in buy cash, we put it lost by fire.
क्लेम भी है.
Yeah, so that will be included. So buy insurance claim and then the loss that is after depreciation.
सर इधर बाय कैश था, उधर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी डाल देंगे.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कब डालते हैं? जब क्लेम एडमिटेड होता. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है?
Only 13,500 was recovered.
रिकवर्ड.
So buy back.
हाँ, तो
तो
बैंक
बैंक.
आएगा. तो पूरा एंट्री सब सेम ही रहेगा, कोई चेंज होने वाला ही नहीं है. देखो तुम what entry you pass when you sell a machine at a loss? What entry you pass when you sell a machine at a loss? Cash bank loss to machine.
So it would be very similar over here.
तो 5,000, 1,000, 6,000 सपोज 6 का 5 में सेल किया, अभी डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया और इंश्योरेंस क्लेम रिकवर्ड हो गया, तो एंट्री क्या आता है? याद है, किया है हमने जर्नल में. 5,000 का मशीन इज लॉस्ट, 6,000 का मशीन इज लॉस्ट एंड 5,000 क्लेम इज रिकवर्ड. तो एंट्री क्या होता है? बैंक लॉस टू मशीन. सेम एंट्री, ओनली डिफरेंट एलिमेंट इज व्हाट? ध्यान से देखो, जो पहला वाला लॉस है ना, वो लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीन है. पहला वाला लॉस जो सेल के वक्त होता है, दैट इज लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीन. और दूसरा वाला जो लॉस है उसको बोलते हैं लॉस बाय फायर. खाली ये अलग, नाम अलग है, नाम, बाकी सब सेम है. समझ में आया? तो वेदर योर मशीन इज सोल्ड एट अ लॉस और वेदर यू गेट एन इंश्योरेंस क्लेम, बुक में एंट्री तो सेम ही आएगा. देखो, बेचते हो तो पैसा मिलता है, यस और नो? क्लेम के वक्त भी पैसा मिला, बेचते वक्त डेटर से मिलता है. लॉस हो गया तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से मिला पैसा. सी व्हाट हैव दे गिवन? इंश्योरेंस क्लेम एडमिटेड या इंश्योरेंस क्लेम रिकवर्ड? Recovered. What if it was admitted?
Then it will be
Insurance company account.
insurance.
Then instead of bank, it would have been insurance company account या insurance claim account. तो लेजर में आ जाता बाय बैंक के जगह बाय इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. लेकिन यहाँ पर इज द क्लेम एडमिटेड और रिकवर्ड? रिकवर्ड. याद आ रहा है जर्नल में किया है ये एंट्री? बैंक लॉस ऑन मशीन टू मशीन, राइट?
Claim was recovered. We used to write bank.
बैंक डायरेक्टली, बैंक इंस्टेड ऑफ लॉस नहीं, लॉस तो हो रहा
And
है.
when we didn't get it, we used to write it.
इंश्योरेंस क्लेम के जगह बैंक. एडमिटेड है तो
नहीं,
इंश्योरेंस
loss
क्लेम, एडमिटेड है तो इंश्योरेंस क्लेम और रिकवर्ड है तो बैंक. इज दैट क्लियर? लॉस तो हो ही रहा है. लॉस का नाम क्या होगा? विल इट बी लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीन और लॉस बाय फायर?
Loss by fire.
Loss by fire.
Loss
Because
by
the
fire.
machine is lost by fire. Is this clear? तो पूरा वर्किंग नोट करना है, पूरा वर्किंग नोट वैसे का वैसा. ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट, डेप्रिसिएशन 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 टिल द डेट ऑफ सेल, और फिर लेस सेल के जगह लेस क्लेम और लॉस, लेस सेल के जगह लेस क्लेम और लॉस. इज दैट क्लियर? Process will be ditto same, just like you do normally. Depreciate, 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 then sale और loss. Sale के जगह claim और loss. Okay? Entry में कोई change होगा यहाँ पे? खाली एक word का change, एक word का. बाकी सब same है, खाली loss on machine के जगह loss by fire. Loss on machine के जगह loss by fire. Okay? Same three things we will record at the time of sale: depreciation, loss and cash back. Sale value. यहाँ पे claim value. Got it? तो कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. अगर आप मशीन सेल कर रहे हो तो भी सेम प्रोसेस है, अगर मशीन डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है और क्लेम आ रहा है तो भी सेम प्रोसेस है. इज देयर एनी चेंज एनीवेयर? पूरे एंट्रीज में नो चेंज, ट्रांजैक्शन में नो चेंज, प्रोसेस में नो चेंज. एक वर्ड में चेंज होगा, खाली लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीन के जगह लॉस बाय फायर आ जाएगा. बस करो, ट्राई करो. नेक्स्ट वन, and a new machine is purchased for 8,000. Acha, when is this happening? This is happening on 1st April 12th. 1st April 12 falls in which year?
12-13.
12-13 में जाता है year 3, बराबर है. 12-13 में जाता है year 3 and क्या हो रहा है? 1 sale, मैं sale ही लिख रहा हूँ, वो जो destroyed है वो sale ही है, and 1 purchase. So if you summarize, what have you got? First year 2 purchase, second year 1 purchase, third year 1 sale 1 purchase. Is that clear? Start. ये सम खुद से आ गया तो FIM जिंगा डाल, तो FIM का ज्ञान प्राप्त हो गया. These are the most difficult level sums can expect for FIM. Start.
ऐसा आएगा मिट्टी बैग में कहीं और ट्विस्ट करते हैं.
Sorry.
This way it will come in mitti bhai and become with more twist.
हाँ, ओ मिठी बाई NM का है ट्विस्ट. करो करो. Start. खुद से ट्राई करो. वीडियोस ऑन पलक, कशिश, निशांत, रुचि, मेघा, रिया गांधी. चलो खुद से करो, खुद से कैलकुलेट. परफेक्टली करो, परफेक्टली. स्टार्ट टू इट. 23rd sum. Summary is there. 2 purchase in first year, 1 purchase in second year, third year 1 sale 1 purchase. Come on, try. हीत कमानी को समझ रहा है? हीत कमानी.
सर ट्राई कर रहा हूँ सर.
ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. टेस्ट में क्या किया था? कॉपी किया था?
कौन सा वाला?
रेक्टिफिकेशन
नहीं सर.
आया खुद से?
डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है मेरे को सब. मेरे को
सब?
स्कूल में भी समझ में, स्कूल में तो सब जल्दी जल्दी कर रहा है. मैं ये भी जो भी पढ़ता हूँ ना, मैं वापस फ्रेंड से पूछे वापस पढ़ता हूँ उन लोग के साथ.
कौन सा? डेप्रिसिएशन. So
सब
you,
चैप्टर
हाँ तो यू कम ना एट द क्लास. इवनिंग आ जाओ प्रैक्टिस के लिए.
आज
Why you
नहीं.
don't? रोज आओ. अभी आज भी आओ, रोज भी आओ.
आज इवनिंग नहीं, कुछ अभी फ्रेंच क्लासेस भी चालू है तो फ्रेंच पे भी.
What time is French?
6:30 to 7:30.
तो 5 to 6 you can come ना, 1 hour.
So can I come like tomorrow? Because like आज उससे पहले भी मेरे को जाना है
किधर?
जिम.
यार अभी वो जिम विम का टाइम चेंज करो, मॉर्निंग में जाओ. वैसे भी तो इतना दुबला पतला है, क्या जिम करता है?
इसलिए
मस्त
तो
बॉडी है
जाना है.
तेरा. अच्छा, मोटा होने के लिए जाना तो खा और सो जा.
हाँ सर.
थोड़ा वेट ट्रेनिंग कर ले. आजा आजा, बट लेक्चर को आजा, अपना प्रैक्टिस के लिए आजा. सॉरी.
What time?
5 to 6.
5 to 6. Okay sir.
और कल क्या है?
कल आ जाऊंगा. कल नो प्रॉब्लम.
कल 2 घंटा, आज 1 घंटा. रोज आ. उधर आके प्रैक्टिस करेगा ना, एक हफ्ते में सिर्फ बैक टू हेड पाथ. बट टेस्ट में छापा हुआ नहीं है ना, पक्का रेक्टिफिकेशन. आई एम टेलिंग बिकॉज यू हैव डन वेल.
एक्चुअली
हाँ, पक्का छापा है कि थोड़ा कॉपी किया है? थोड़ा थोड़ा किया है?
नहीं सर. नहीं सर.
थोड़ा भी नहीं.
नहीं, वो यशवी के साथ पढ़ रहा था.
यशवी संकलपुरी. अच्छा
यस सर.
चलो करो. आज मिल जाएंगे आपको पेपर्स, टेस्ट पेपर्स.
सर मैं और पूजन आए।
आ जाओ, अरे रोज मोस्ट वेलकम, come and sit and practice at class. Many students are coming. Today also I'll be there from 5. Yeah, 5 onwards I'll be there. 5 to 7:38 तक रहूंगा मैं. Twenty-fourth sum is for homework. 24th sum from the sheet itself, class textbook. 24th sum, that's for homework. लास्ट लेक्चर होमवर्क में कोई डाउट? शेयर द सॉल्यूशन, ग्रुप पे सॉल्यूशन शेयर कर रहा हूँ. इलस्ट्रेशन का तो है उधर ही, स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक में 2 सम थे. प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम का मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ, चेक कर लो. 4 machines were there. Next lecture will be starting with RBM, second method of DEPRI, reducing balance method.
So the loss by fire, we'll take it in the year 2013 only. No?
सेम डेट ऑफ सेल के दिन, वो सेल के जैसा ही है रे, जैसा सेल हो रहा है वही समझो सेल ही हो रहा है, खाली इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को बेच दिया तुमने। डेट ऑफ सेल पर ही होगा ऑल ट्रांजैक्शंस। डेप्री फॉर द
No,
करंट
it is
डेट,
on 1st April 2012, so it will come under the year 1213, no? Instead
हाँ
of
1213 समरी में लिखा है ना, 1213 में देखो, वन सेल वन परचेज, 1213।
so, and on the machine that is lost by fire, we'll calculate depreciation on 25,000 only, no? Not 23,500.
25, not 23,500, 25. Cost is not 25 only, forget 23,500. All expenses are part of cost only, has become part of cost only. Value of that machine is 25,000. Are you getting a loss of 7125 on insurance? Is that right? 7125 का loss आया.
हाँ सर.
Same things you record.
सर इधर बैलेंस 34,375 आएगा ना, 875 नहीं आया.
अच्छा एक मिनट. Calculation mistake है. 34,37. बराबर. $2,300 आ रहा है लास्ट डेप्रिसिएशन. चेक. Balance anyone has done? The final balance. What is the final balance? Check. Calculate. Final answer.
Sir, I'm getting 19,450.
19,450. Check. 19,450. Right, almost. That's your solution. Video on. Come on. Getting it? खुद से आया. छापो मत. छाप रहे हो तो उल्लू बना रहे हो खुद को. याद रखना टेस्ट में कि यहाँ पर 12 में सब बैंड बजने वाला है. बोलो. Any doubts? Tell me. Any entry, any amount, anyone has not got anything, please tell me. Forum, Nishi, Nishant, Palak, Priya Gandhi. Getting it? So we stop. Okay, we have finished. Then 24th sum is for homework. Just one sum. Okay, perfectly करना. Difficult level sum है 24th sum. So doubts है तो let me know. Practice के लिए you can come down at the class in the evening. Okay, and we meet day after tomorrow at same time. New method RP. Doubts है तो रुको, otherwise you can. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.